All right, now we're going to talk about grating our fresh Parmesan cheese for our bruschetta. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. So you're going to take your cheese grater and go for the smaller size, not the one on the end, but the one that is the smaller grating. You just want to stroke and go up and down, and just go up and down, and then up and down. And that should probably be enough right there, because it grades pretty fast. About 2 tablespoons. But as you can see, we have a little container here, so we actually can go ahead and grate more Parmesan now and save it for later. And so we're going to go ahead and do that. If you watched my previous videos, like I said, we're a big Italian family here, so we cook a lot. And you never have too much fresh Parmesan cheese on hand. If anything, you use it for the spaghetti or the rigatoni, or even if you like to make some macaroni and cheese, you can always throw Parmesan on top of that. It's pretty much limitless what you can put cheese on, except peanut butter. That's, well, I haven't really tried it, so I couldn't let you know. All right, and there you go.